Grabe. Okay na mo din, ha? Payong na, payong! Nawadyo tayo mahimo, anak. Kay nag-ulan man dyan, no? Kumusta mo diyan sa likod? Kaway-kaway naman dyan kung ayos lang tayong lahat dyan. Grabe man yung kamot dito ang tanan. Rain or shine yun eh. Pagkatibay ng Davao eh. Once again, kami na yung Sweet Notes Music. Daghang salamat to be part of this special event. Of course, celebrating Kadayawan Festival. Daghang salamat, of course, sa nag-invite sa amo din hi. Now, later on, amo silang pasalamatan. Daghan ko ng mga sponsors karong gabi. Once again, dili na ito matugayan kay ganina pa yun mo naghulat. Wala pa din ay. Mama, kamusta sa tadini sa gilid? Okay na mo diyan, ma'am? Sir? Sa tubangan. Okay kayo. Okay kay sila din sa tubangan. Mahalag nakabasa. Basta kay malingaw. Wa pa mo nabasa kaning mga nakapayong? Kung basa na mo, inaog na lang ang payong. Para patas ng tanan. Mabitaw, kay Louie ka na sa luyo ba? Louie ka na sa likod, oh? No? Rock and roll, di ako taniya. Alright, once again. We are the Sweet Notes Music. Happy Kadayawan Festival! Some energy for Davao! Come on! Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. once again!
Happy ka na.
Okay kayo.
Hangyo lang na mo diri sa atubangan kung kaya na to tanggalon ng atong mga payong para makakita ang nasa likod. Tabla-tabla na lang karon magpaulan kung meron diri. Isa ko sumaulan na og Sweet Notes jersey.
Okay.
Kung kinsa pinakataas ang energy, mangita mi. Kung kinsa pinakataas ang energy, mangatay kong Sweet Notes jersey. Kanahan ko, ana.
Ana, di para patas na makalabay.
Huwag ka na po rin mga nagpatong sa lamisa, makamping mo diya kasi mga hulog mo. Okay mo diya.
Tagak, kaya ko ha. Alright, the sign. Isa hilig ka rin ng love song. Yung mga hiling ng love songs karong gabi. Isa na yung uyab karong gabi. Nakaswerte ka na agi dala uyab, no? Alright, this next song para sa mga in love karong gabi. Ay mga partner karong gabi. Okay lang the song, guys. Highway run into the midnight sun. Wheels around and round, you run my mind. Restless hearts sleep alone tonight. Sending on my love along the wire. We sail around a long place to start a family. Right down the line, it's been you and me. When love and music and it so supposed to be. Oh boy, stand by me. I'm forever. Everybody say. Thank you so much. Circles of light under the guitar. We all need a glass to close the eye. Through space and time, always another shore. Wonder where I am, lost without you. And being apart ain't easy on this love affair. Two strangers learn to fall in love again. I get the joy of reading something. Oh boy, stand by me. I'm forever yours. One more time. Thankfully. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, it's the man guitar. DJ! Fernando, sabay ang taas ang mga kamot. Let's go, let's do this. Let's do this all together. sila mo DJ ang Sa pinakataas ng energy ka ng gabi! Grabe. DJ, sana po magustuhan niyo yung next song namin. Sabay-sabay tayo, you know what?
Next song namin para sa lahat ng mga mahilig sa old-time favorite music. May bala na to ron ang mga edad sa mga nananaw. Para sa itong mga mahilig sa makalumang kanta para sa inyo lahat, alam ko alam yung song na to. Sabayan nyo kami. Sex in your room. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. There's one big illusion as you try to forget. There's something left in my heart. You said you're the one to make it stay. I don't wanna feel lost right now. No, you want me to forget everything you said. But there's something left in my heart. Come on! Don't wait. The feeling is so strong. We're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you wait. Only I know. Taas ang energy, Drake. Sa likod! But then you came along to my surprise. I want to hear you sing. Come on! And stole my heart before very eyes. Double City, everybody say, come on! You took me right. So my soul with you. Only by giving me your everything. With a love so true. Took me out of the blue. From my youngest days to this moment here, I've never seen such a lovely queen. Negros dia. Come on. From the skies above, ipandong niya, ipandong. To the deepest love. Come on. I never felt crazy like this before. Everybody say, pay my love. Put your hands, come on. To pay my love. It's the picture of thousand sunsets. It's the freedom of a thousand looks. Baby, should pay my love. Since you came into my life, the days before on fade of black and white. Since you came into my life, everything has changed. Sino ba pinakamaingay dito ngayong gabi? Hey!
Ayaw cool.
After some time, I've made up my mind. She is the girl, and I really want to make her mine. I'm searching everywhere to find her again. Okay lang ba diri sa gilid? To tell her I love and sorry about the things I've done. Ayos ba tayo dyan sa gilid? So understand from the church being praising from what it says. Come on! She looks so happy the way you dress. When she's crying while she's saying, everybody say, boy, you miss it, kisses all the time, but this is when you find it's too late. Now you traveled so far, I'm sorry you are when you find it's too late. I see. Yeah! Marami tayong ipamimigay ngayon. First time namin sa Kadayawan. Taas natin kamay! Hey! 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 Sa likod! Come on! Put your hands in the air! Come on! Hey! Hey! Milky Way on the heaven, sleeping just you. It's the moon gave out, fading out to you. Tonight, I'll sing for you, I'll sing for mother, we're praying for the world. Hey! And for the people everywhere, gonna show them all we care. Everybody! All my sleeping time, the words so wild they should be. The road, paradise, that's one reason why I'm gonna you sleeping child. Gonna come and sleeping child. Okay lang matari sa gilid? Asa man ako ni Hata ka? Dito sa siguro.
Ayaw cool.
Makabantay.
Bata magkukul.
Salamat!
Apalo mo guys, stay pa kayo guys. Kay first time ginamong gi-invite mo diri sa Kadayawan. Daghang salamat na bawen news. Gusto mo ta mag-enjoy karong gabi. Hey! Kasi mga gusto manayo dia. Mga basa man gitaron, manayaw na lang gitaron.
Basta, bago ta magsayaw-sayaw, no? Hatagan na itong chance karon ng mga mag-tiayon o mga mag-partners karong gabi. Hi! Sorti ka mga nakabit-bit karon og partners.
Sige, kanay.
Sa makita na ito nga pinaka-sweet. Oh, pinaka-sweet.
Mag-uyab, mag-tiayon,
Ay, nakita, oh.
magka-fling-fling. Ano ka nag-fling-fling? Pwede pa rin na dere.
Kinsa to pinaka-sweet? Oh.
Kinsa pinaka-sweet na makita ng mga partner karong gabi. Na
Siyempre
tagaan
na
na to.
ibigatlong.
Tagaan na to. Another song para sa lahat ng mga in love.
The song
Sa mga in love.
guys.
hapon na sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Kahit inis na magsinunay, nakuha mo mukhang hindi ka kilala. Kaya mga babae, ang panuluhan mo pa.
Okay naman, one more time.
Nakakatawa ko na rin ang halos kahapon na sinabi mo sa akin na tayo ay tapos na. Kahit bilis na magsinunay, nakuha mo mukhang hindi